I could select everything, but then I'd have to zoom back in and deselect the leaf lines again. We've got a handy tool in Illustrator to avoid this. With those few lines selected, go to Select, Same, Stroke Color. It will have selected all the line work of the same color in the front left tree layer. So now all we have to do is double-click the stroke color to bring up the color picker and choose a lighter brown color. When you have layers where there aren't any green elements, you can simply select the layer and change the line work's color directly from there. For the characters, we'll be doing the same, only we will be using the Select Same option more since there are different types of line works used on the characters. We can easily select everything hair and branch-like by selecting a strand of hair, going to Select, Same, and then Stroke Weight, since we used a different weight for the hair and branch lines than that of the body and furry texture. Change the color to a light green and we can move on to the furry texture on her body. Apply the same process on the rest of the body using the different options Select Same has to offer when needed. For example, on the face, we would want to go to Select, Same, Appearance, or Fill Color, since those are the only fill lines used on the character. Now we want to continue applying this process on the rest of the characters. I find that if you are aiming for a painted look, when the line art is very visible, the painted effect isn't as easy to achieve because those lines will always be very prominent, whereas the color holds help soften the line art and allow you to make the shading and painted effect later on be more important. With the color holds complete, we can start shading. In the next video, we are going to be bringing the light source back to the front and using it to begin the first round of shading before we begin painting. Thank you for listening! Hey everyone, and welcome to Mastering Fantasy Design in Poser and Illustrator. My name is Nas Peters, and in this video we will be bringing back the light source to the front and applying the first layer of shading.